The historic moment has arrived. The green flag is shown. The train has started. History has been created. A milestone achievement in the history of railways in Kerala and a proud moment for all Keralites. ഇതാ കേരളത്തിന് മറ്റൊരു ചരിത്ര നിമിഷം കൂടി. കേരളത്തിന്റെ റെയിൽ ഗതാഗത ചരിത്രത്തിലെ തന്നെ നാഴികക്കല്ലായി മാറുന്ന ഈ ചരിത്ര നിമിഷത്തിലേക്ക് a safe and comfortable ride with modern passenger amenities. The coaches are designed to be friendly for the young generation with amenities like onboard infotainment service. Thiruvananthapuram, Kasaragod, Thiruvananthapuram Vande Bharat will become the fastest in the corridor. We would like to extend our heartfelt thanks and express our immense happiness to our Honorable Prime Minister for sparing his valuable time to be here with us and flagging off the prestigious Vande Bharat Express train to Kasaragod.